So you don't trust banks or credit unions or the whole financial system. Two acronyms you need to know: FDIC, NCUA. Let's get into it. FDIC stands for Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, and it's for banks specifically. If they fail, then your money at that bank is insured up to $250,000. There's a little more caveats to that, but that is some safety net in case of failure for you to know. NCUA is similar to FDIC, but it's for credit unions, National Credit Union Administration, and it also insures up to $250,000 with some caveats, but just so you know the acronyms: FDIC, NCUA. Here are some accounts that FDIC insurance covers: checking, savings, money markets, and CDs, and then we'll look at what it doesn't cover. It primarily does not cover investment vehicles, mutual funds, annuities, crypto, stocks, because they are buying that through a third party. That would be covered by SIPC, different scenario here. So this is what FDIC does not cover. Here's a similar list for what NCUA insurance covers, just in a little bit more detail, which you can read and see the differences. Here's what the NCUA does not cover, and so you can see some similar things here. They actually have safe deposit box that they don't cover, as well as digital assets, cryptos, other things of that nature. Most big banks will have FDIC insurance. When you go to the bank's website, you can see members FDIC up there. That means that you are all set if you have assets at that big bank. Similar with credit unions, you go to their website, you see that they have the NCUA stamp, and you know you are good to go, or they are a trustworthy credit union to use. Finally, I just want to go through if you have a joint account with a spouse or a partner or a parent, if you get extra insurance coverage. The answer is yes. So for your individual account, you get the $250,000 of coverage, but if you have a joint account, each of you get $250,000, so you would get up to $500,000 in coverage if something were to happen to that bank or credit union in this scenario. You're welcome, because at the next party you go to, you're going to talk about FDIC and NCUA insurance and what that does for you, or you're just going to tuck that knowledge away so you know it for your personal life and in general. Hopefully that's helpful, talking about FDIC, NCUA insurance today, what it means, why it's important. Chris Lee, Everyday Finance, and I will see you guys in the next one.